What's the meaning of animist? Animist. 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 Animist.
The term animist refers to a person who believes that all natural objects and phenomena, such as plants, animals, and even rocks, possess a spiritual essence or soul. Animism is often associated with indigenous cultures and religions, and it emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things in nature. Animists believe that everything in the world has its own unique spirit, and they engage in practices such as offerings, prayers, and rituals to honor and communicate with these spirits. Overall, animism reflects a deep respect and reverence for the natural world and its many inhabitants.